Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your speaker Bose SoundLink Color II on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Then click on search line or click on search here and write Bose. Now search, scroll down, and you should install this application. Now open it. Hello. Hello. Agree. I agree. Skip. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!